Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a hair sketch of a boy. First, establish the basic head shape and hairline. Think about the boy's age and the style you envision. Use light, flowing lines to block in the general mass of the hair, considering its volume and how it falls around the head. This initial step is crucial for setting the foundation for a realistic and dynamic hairstyle. Don't worry about details yet. Focus on the overall form. Next, focus on giving the hair volume and a sense of movement. Hair isn't flat, it has body and flows in specific directions. Use curved lines to suggest how the hair lifts from the scalp and falls. Consider the natural part and how different sections of hair interact. This step helps create a three-dimensional effect, making the sketch more lifelike and less like a helmet. Now, it's time to add the finer details that bring the hair to life. Start sketching individual strands and small clumps, paying attention to how they overlap and separate. Vary your line pressure to create different textures, lighter lines for softer areas, darker for definition. Introduce subtle shadows and highlights to give the hair depth and a sense of light interacting with it. This adds significant realism. Finally, review your entire hair sketch for overall balance and proportion. Erase any initial construction lines that are no longer needed and clean up the edges for a polished look. Consider adding a few subtle flyaway hairs or refining the shading to enhance the texture and depth. This last stage is about perfecting the details and ensuring the hair looks natural and integrated with the boy's head.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.